Hello, today I'm showing you the Lego City cargo train, and it's 35 inches long, and it comes with this, a truck, and then it goes all the way here, and then I put that there because it just fits on the truck. There's a remote control, so you can just turn it on, which is like right in there. And then turn it off, and it'll go around the track because it uses power. You can see that from the train. So this comes in of the cargo train. So I still have my guy in there, and so if you want to access, it has easy access by just a rotating door. The opening and closing top, and then the guys in there, and they have remote controls, and just this door. And then you can just go around, and you see the train sign. They have these pieces here, and then it's yellow. In the back, they have this sticker, and that's the magnet, and that's it. And then this, that's like the lights, and then it's the same thing on the other side, basically. So the power functions. Wait, take this off. And it's right in there, the battery box. And that's when basically all I'm going to show you for this main part of the cargo train, because it's the whole thing that moves the whole thing around back, is carries the power wires, so that can make all the electricity in your Lego City. And so this crane right here can take this right off right here. So this is what it looks like, and this is all the wire, and so it just goes all the way to the car that carries the cargo. And you can see that because put this here. That's exactly. This one is a little bigger, and then this cow pen is the smallest. So that's all of them compared. Take these away from this area so you can see this. So these are the cargo thing that it holds. It doesn't have to hold this forklift, which we will see later. But it has the space for it right in there. And then it has a wheelbarrow here, and an octane wheel right here, which is new because it isn't all round pieces. It's actually these slanted pieces here. So, yeah, that's it for this main flatbed. You see that right here? This thing is the cow pen, where the cow stays, and it has all of this, and that's hay, and that's a water bucket. So then these doors open up so the cow can get out, and then it has all the fencing around it. There's also a truck. So the truck has the 4 wheels, and it has the cargo sign up here, a cargo sign, right? Right there. So, and then goes down, and then there's another cargo sign, and then it also has a coffee mug, and then this is where it will fit any of the cargo pieces, like octane. Then I'll just go right. You see is where the truck gets loaded with the cargo, and the train gets the cargo put inside it. And I'm going to need the forklift too to show you this. And how about the octane? So, we'll pretend the cargo train is coming in. So it can go in like that, and so this crane has the whole entire this area. So I can also then this can move far back and back here. So it's sort of loose, but it's good. And this is where he can drop the cargo. And then this is an office, a tiny office, to I think control the crane. So then also now I'm gonna show you how it this moves back. You just might want to loosen it, and then this little chain that's on it can make it go onto that hook. So let's see. There it is on the hook, and now you might want to make this go a little higher. Then move this back. Move this that way, and then you just move this down right into this area right here. So I have that area, and so you just rest it on these gray things, and then this is when the forklift comes. This can go down. Then tilt this back for safety. And then you can just bring this over to the truck. So now I'm going to show you the forklift. What the forklift looks like. And it has this like siren up here. It has the forklift area up here. So we can go up and down with the nice like the best rubber band. It's really flexible. And then, so you get your minifigures in. Just open that up, and then they'll be inside. So, and then it's a little tilted forward. And then, if it's carrying cargo, you might want to tilt it back, or if it's going in the cargo train. So, that's it. And now, that's basically all there is for the cargo train. I think it's a really cool set that it's really cool because it has the whole track system and everything. There it is. So you can also do it faster, obviously. Hello, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the set for cargo train. And yeah, so it's going to show you. Right after this, I'm going to do the holiday train. So stay tuned.